we're going to make some bubbles with the slime. So there's two ways how to do it. So first you're going to flatten out the slime, and then you're going to take it and stretch it a bit and then pull it over, and then you have a bubble. So next we're going to make the other bubble, which we're going to flatten it out and make sure that everything is even, and making sure everything is even will make a great bubble. So you're going to lift it up and stick it under almost until the corner, and then you're going to make sure that it's still even. And then you're going to stick your thumbs under the straw and then make a triangle and then blow.